Hello students. This is my first video since we went on break, so forgive me if I mess up. I'd like to acquaint you with a subject called math. It usually uses numbers and sometimes it uses words, and it always uses your brain. So today we're going to remind ourselves what addition strategies we've been learning. So here you see a guy who's thinking about different math problems, which you may remember you actually solved in the past. So on the next few slides, you're going to see some different strategies. And your job is to reacquaint yourself with these different strategies. You probably will look at some and go, oh, I know that one. And you will look at others and go, what's that guy doing? So if you, on each of these slides, you need to read and look and think about the strategy. If you don't feel like reading, you can click on this button, hover over it, and
I used a familiar strap.
Listen to what this says. So the first few slides are showing you some strategies for each math problem that this guy was thinking about originally. And each slide has different strategies. This one is the give and take strategy. You gave one and you took one. Gave one, took one to the numbers. This one is jumping to a friendly number. Let's see. Here's the give and take strategy again. And here is what your mom and dad know, and it is called the standard algorithm. Everyone say standard algorithm. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose how many? Two problems on the next slides. There are 4 slides. How many do you have to do? 2 of them. You can do 4, but you don't have to. You just need to do 2. So look at the next slides. 51 plus 29, 198 plus 56, 348 plus 578. Maybe that you feel like a challenge. And 320 plus 250. And you will notice that on all 4 of these slides, you can click on a number line or you could use the number pieces. I cannot do that in this video because when I click on it, you will not be able to see it. But if you use that, you could take a picture of your strategy and upload it here. So you can write on a piece of paper and then add an image, or you can do the work typing. Let's see. Oh, you should be able to. Oh, it looks like you can't. So I will add text boxes to these slides. So the first thing you do is you choose a strategy that is not the standard algorithm strategy. Then you use the standard algorithm. So you're solving this problem, you're solving 2 of the problems 2 different ways, and then you're going to talk about why you chose the way that you chose. And then finally, and this shouldn't take you super duper long time. I'm only asking you to do 2 problems here. So really you're thinking and you're doing 2 problems, and then I'd like for you to try to do this work as well on student book page 98 or on slides 11 and 12. Same idea, you're using 2 different strategies to do these problems. So on page 98 you will see A, B, C, D, and E, and you will name your strategy. You should be able to do that by now. And that is it. That's kind of easing us back into this topic called math. So have a great time. Enjoy using your brain and thinking about our math addition strategies.